This thing arrived today. And due to being it lightweight as it actually is, it did not go through customs. Or if they did open it, they thought that it was worthless. It's actually not. So let's open this thing and let's see what's inside. I mean, I already know what's inside, but yeah. Okay, I'm gonna put this thing away so that I don't hurt myself. So the box is carton, but it is engraved, so that's kind of awesome. And there is a bit of sponge inside. I am so happy about this thing. And there is a manual. So, operating instructions 2036. There you go. You can scan this thing with your I am actually a fan of Fallout, and I think that actually the best, in my opinion, is number 2. You're in that village Arroyo, and next thing you're fucking hookers and getting their safe numbers. So there you have it. Cold cathode tubes, EN16, manufactured in Russia. Battery type LiPo. 220 mAh, rechargeable. High voltage 4.2, and it transforms that to 220 volts. Go figure. And this is the settings map, so basically hour, minutes, day, year, month, and that's it. So what we have here is a USB cable, and it is, I don't know, about 1.5 meters, not quite sure. It is nice. It's a Remax brand, never heard of that. Now let's see, this thing will probably be thick. Seriously. The belt is okay, and you know what? This is actually smaller than I thought. So let's see how to turn this thing on. Okay. I'm guessing like this. So it's blinking, and it probably means that the battery is empty. We'll see. Is there any other button? So basically no. Double click? No. So, well, it's even not that horrible, seriously. I mean, it's not something to wear all the time, but definitely not something to go around town with, I guess. Or it is, I'm not quite sure. When you go out and you're drunk, hey, what's the time? But yeah, you cannot even put your sleeve over it. I mean, you can. If somebody asks you, what's the time? I guess it is okay, you know. I mean, it is thick, but I expected it to be thicker, to be honest. So yeah, let me hook this thing up, and just to show you, when you connect this thing to a power supply, instantly the LED is lit up. While this thing was charging, I was actually perusing the manual itself, and basically there is nothing much in this manual. It says that the tubes are from 70s and 80s, they are not new, and it could take time for them to light up, and you can reuse over 2000 times to view clock. And I'm not quite sure whether that's the lifespan of the clock 2000 times, because it does not seem that much. Or is that single charge? I do believe it's not a single charge. Setting: to set time, hold down button until digit starts to revs. Release to save. Okay, so I'm holding. Okay, this is so slow. 21:37. So let's see whether I've set up the clock correctly. 12:37. And this one, the upper indicator, so number 4 is, sorry, messages. So the upper indicator, number 4, is AM indicator. So it says it's 12:37 AM, and it's not that. So if this thing is actually here, 2137. So this was. So somehow I've set up the clock 2137, and it actually is. It's actually 2139. Well, this has been unboxing of the Nixoid 2036 watch, and I do like it. It is awesome. This thing, yeah, it's not that intuitive. Although, to be honest, I did, while this was charging, I drank 2 beers, so that might be the why I'm currently in a slow-mo mode. But yeah, I do like this thing. I mean, the box itself, okay, it's not premium, but then again, I'm guessing that this is perhaps not made for the this thing is probably made for geeks and you know, steampunk aficionados, I guess. And this thing is not bad. This is probably the only box I'll actually keep. I usually throw this thing away, but yeah. So let me take it off and let me show you one more time. This watch is actually cool. I like it quite a lot. So sorry. There you go. 2141. And I will be this is plasticky, I think. This should be glass. It would be, I think, way better. The this thing is a bit, as I said previously, it is a thick, but even with my tiny hand, because I have, this part is okay, but this ankle is not that I would say manly, so you know, I have that ankle is quite small one. But yeah, I like it. I mean, it is a big watch, but it's kind of cool. Well, if you like this video, please click thumbs up. If you did not, you know what to do. And by the way, I was so happy that this thing did not go through customs. I only paid like 2 euros. That's like delivery fee. So yeah, until the next time. And have a great new year. Oh, and one more thing. This is from Ukraine, I think. So, I mean, I do need to test it for radiation. Come on. Yeah, I'm kidding. It's a stereotype. I'm joking. Don't be offended. If it's more radioactive than my friend's Punto, we have something. If not, but yeah, as you can see, the dials are depressing. So, yeah. This is an awesome watch. It truly is. Bye.